Drawing with Peardeck. In this video, I will show you how to use Peardeck's drawing tools. Then, at the 2-minute mark, you will see the raw power of the drawing tools. Right, in this video, I'd like to show you how to use the most awesome drawing tools that are part of Peardeck. In Peardeck, you have a color selector, you have a paintbrush, you have an eraser, you have a straight line tool, and a text tool. And you can change the size of your brush here. You can erase your drawing here. You can also undo. So for example, if I pick the brush and I pick yellow, I can draw like this. I can increase the size if I want a really big bold line. I can undo what I did here. I can put it back. Or I can erase everything by clicking clear. What's awesome about the straight lines is, for example, in this slide, it's asking you to find the orthogonal line. So if I click the straight line tool, I can click, hold, and drag, and now I can make my straight lines. So that's very useful when drawing on Peardeck, because if I try to do this with a brush, it's very difficult to get a straight line. The eraser, you can also change the size of that. So let's say you want to erase a lot, make a big eraser. If you want to erase a tiny bit, make a small eraser. In text is tricky. Let me change the text to green. I'm going to type the word green. I want it to be big, so I'm going to make it 40. I'm going to hit B for bold, and then you just click and it will drop the word green. Those are all the tools. I hope that is helpful to you.